What's going on, guys? That didn't happen. We're going over my fishing tackle. I got a lot of it. Y'all can freaking ball with it. I don't think this is all of it. So I have a lot of it. And y'all already don't even know this crap. So, what we're going to go over first, we're going to start with my fly pole right here. That tackle box is not mine, that's my friend's. Okay, there's a couple, no, my friend's other poles are in the garage. So, this is my fly pole right here. It's got a Martin 63 reel on it. It's a, I think it's an Eagle Claw pole, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. It's an Eagle Claw, Sweetheart. It's pretty good. Actually, I caught a fish on it today. I was going fishing. I will be doing fishing videos once I get my GoPro. I'm getting a GoPro pretty soon. I like that pole. It's a pretty nice pole. I went fishing with this pole today also. I didn't catch anything. It's just like it's like my, call it my micro pole. I call this my micro pole. It's a very small pole, like really, really small. Like here, I'll show you. This is like an average door right here. It's small. That's it compared to my bully dog. Yeah, it's pretty small pole. Oh, and I gotta show you something. It was broke at the top, so I just cut off the top piece. I should have done a video on that. That was cool. Up next, we're gonna be showing you my largest. Well, it's my largest. Yes, I'll say that. It is a competitor. I showed this in one of my old videos. It's a competitor. I got this thing on it right here. It's got a steel waiter on it right there. It's got a lot of line. This is like all original here. Then here. Here's my longest pole. It's not very strong, but it's very long. It doesn't have a lot of force to it. Probably just snap like a twig. It is very freaking long. Here, I'll get an average fishing pole over here. Just compare it to you. To that. I don't know why it's so. I think it's for fishing for some small fish or something, and you just have to get it way out there. Or if you're just like native fishing, then you just have to, and you don't even have to like do that. You just gotta push your pole out and hit the bail, and it drops it. Whenever I store, I have to take it's a collapsible pole, so I have to just take that off. It's so big, it won't even fit in this mudroom. And here we have it was one of my old poles. It was like when I didn't fish too much. It was just a pole that I got. It was just like a little button one, but I had a reel on it, yeah, like the other day, and I went fishing with it, and the reel just broke right off the thing. Just like randomly came off, and it snapped the reel. I didn't even have anything on it. I just like had a little snag, and it broke it right off. Just Shakespeare panfish. So up next we have my bait caster. Let me get back. There. Was that it? Oh, can I get it? So many freaking poles. It's hard to get to any of them. Come on out, please. Why is my hooter popper connected to a different pole? That makes no sense. Okay. That just came off. Sorry for my inconvenience. Oh god, that just hooked me. Ow, that hurt very bad. Okay, so this used to be a Shakespeare Alpha, but obviously it was a Shakespeare, so the reel broke, like all Shakespeare's, because Shakespeare reels are garbage. So I got this burning shark reel here. That's actually very nice. Sorry about me putting my finger on the camera. Ugh, okay. Get the bait caster back there. Let me get out my... Here, we'll get out my blue slingshot. I really actually love slingshots. Slingshots are one of my favorite poles. They're just like, well, I mean, their name kind of says kind of like how they are. They're pretty much slingshots. They're really nice poles. I think they're they're probably one of my favorite poles. I had 2 of them, but I gave one to my dad. I had a red one. My friend has 2 of them. He has a red one and a blue one. They're really nice poles. I honestly love them. I mean, the reel is actually pretty nice too. But if I were to lose one thing, I'd lose the reel. It's a nice pole. So here we'll go for this. You know, I'm just gonna take all my poles out, because who cares? Just to get to one of my poles, it's like impossible. I have way too many. There we are. We got this one. I actually found in the water. It was just sitting in the bottom of the water. It doesn't work very good. I gotta get a new reel for it. The reel is pretty bad. Look at the freaking reel. It's like, I opened it up and it's like all rust down the middle of it. And then right there was my first ever spinning rod and reel. It's right there. The reel is gone because that was, obviously, it was a Shakespeare reel, so it was garbage. Pure garbage, actually. Shakespeare reels just fall apart in like one cast. I mean, no offense to Shakespeare, but you gotta change your reels. They're pretty bad. But I doubt Shakespeare would watch this video. I have like no subscribers. Okay, so that's it right there. It's got a Crazy Outdoors reel on it. There's a Shakespeare Catch More Fish. All we got on there is just a little red hook there. And tip broke on this one too, so I had to cut that off too. So. Oh, my tips break. And I think that is, yeah, all my poles. So let me try to get to my tackle boxes. That's probably like one of my hardest things to do now, is get to my tackle boxes, because I have a lot of tackle boxes. Oh, that happened. You know what, I'm just going to throw this back there. I'm just throwing everything wherever I need to, really. Just want to get my stuff back out of the way. I have so many poles, I can put some of these garage. Well, actually, while I have my friend's tackle box, I'll just show you what he uses. Right here is a spinner his dad gave him. Very nice one. He's got a little rattle trap here. Oh, I just got stabbed by it. He's got a spinner, swivel and stuff. How did that jump over there? This thing. I'm gonna go through my lures and stuff in another video, but right now I'll just go through his lures and stuff. Do another video. You're right here. I have so many of these. I actually gave him this. I have so many of these. They are like my favorite, like literally just my favorite things to have around. They're so good. Fish just love them. Got this thing. Very nice. See how big this thing is? Freaking huge. There's nowhere even to use the thing. I don't have anywhere. Okay, I think that's probably good enough for right now. I'll just show you actually. You guys probably aren't too interested in this, but here's my stepbrothers. My stepbrothers things here. He's got a couple pulls. I never even used any of his stuff. How's that there? And if you guys want to see the rest of the videos, also I'm going to be showing you that tackle box, that one, and that one. And that thing. Okay, well, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button if you did enjoy. And subscribe if you enjoyed also. If you want to see any more videos, also subscribe. Just subscribe, because I know you aren't. I know you're just sitting on your couch just watching this without socks on. Let's subscribe.